Hello, I'm Becky Wright and I'm the Director of New Leaf Life Design and New Leaf Workplace Wellbeing, and we're delighted to say that we give 5% of our profits to the Somerset Bee Keepers every time we deliver some work. Starting beekeeping can prove to be quite expensive, with a hive like this one costing around £450 when new, and a bee suit like Eric is wearing about £140 when new. That is a lot of money when you still haven't got any bees. Together we think that this donation should be used to help start an individual or project to get off the ground where it might prove too expensive otherwise. You can nominate yourself, a friend or a project by contacting the person organising the course, or if you'd like it to be more discreet, contact the Secretary of the Somerset Bee Keepers Association. A decision will be made during January and February, and it'll be announced at the Somerset Bee Keepers AGM in March, in plenty of time for you to get started beekeeping. Keep the buzz going. Thank you.